Hey y'all, this is Patty. I couldn't wait until tomorrow on Mother's Day to show you my pre-Mother's Day gift from my children. This is a nice Dutch oven cast iron pot. I can't wait to cook that pot roast in it tomorrow. And this is from my grandbaby Jeremiah. These are beautiful. I love flowers. They know I love flowers. And I just can't wait to get into this pot. Let me show you the inside of it. Look at that. I can't wait until tomorrow to christen that pot. So please subscribe, share, follow, put that thumb up, and tap that notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. Thank you, and we will see you on the next video.